Ka komiti halor ka empowerment of women jong jela Meghalaya ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly kalakot haji rekihe jong ka Meghalaya Police Department balakli daw DGP Ulaja Ram Bishnoi KSP ka chairperson jong ka Women's Commission pat ka State Commission for Protection of Child's Right halor kimat bat kijingja hapo ka jela ki balakta ai ki imlang salang khamtam ka jing peniap jong kupai la ka jong ki khon ha ka senong nongra Haka jingilang kebalakot da ketika komiti halor ke empowerment of women jong kejela Meghalaya ke Meghalaya Legislative Assembly haka jingilam jong ikong Ampareen lengdo ibri chairperson uba Meral Bons MLA ke Miani di Shira bat kiwe-kiwe kitkon Kekong Ampareen lengdo hambakran hakilat batai kubor hadin jong jingilang kebalalong haka arpo tarik ubana jeleo arcara arpoar kalai thu ba kanu kejingja ke bosngosi kabadai bat ke kam Be-Ijot lenik jingsha Lehbein lekho jong ki Kynthei Khynnah bat ke kam penyap ke komiti kala bansiat Beit hakitanat Pulit ban pendep miki kam baro Kekong Ampareen lengdo kalai thu ba ke komiti kala ajemut ya ketanat Pulit ke Women's Commission bakin ay ke jing trilang ban yo ya ke jing sisa bat kum juru ya kisebut ki babiang ban penhon ya baro ki paiba jong ke jela bat ru ban yo ya ke jing senya na ki paiba
Panang ni syakmat kami kalau long boy ke pendikai. Kebekrawan yang kita jadi buat lami lah syudoe angut kita ki mensin. Loi ki bam shimdon. Kano ke jingedai. Bat kaye kesem haka balawan jahun kene ke jingjang. Yes, I'll take questions. That an ex-gratia payment will be processed to the tune of 5 lakhs to the family of the deceased. They are processing it. We hope that this will happen quickly and we hope that this will help as an assistance to the family to fight this case in the court and to get the best of lawyers so that justice is not denied. Just because it was not done or whether or not it was done is to be investigated upon. But henceforth, these cases need to be taken seriously. I'm assured now, in my personal experience, that out of 10 complaints on domestic violence in any police station, unlikely that 1 or even 2 will be taken up. Now we need to verify this with facts. We cannot presume, because this is a big allegation you're making against the police force in the state of Meghalaya. And we are not in a position to make those accusations at anyone until and unless the commissions do their diligence and make sure that they get these informations, prepare a report, and we will review the report by these 2 commissions in a later date. Haba kayeng kam file ke FIR, manupat ang file ke FIR, balay kam don kataka sumuto FIR pagala file. Nilai kreni kita kini, rapat ilawan lam sakmat jog kejintip jog DGP, baru kumbangalang hak aswa. Ini likely kita ke authorities, ibadah Beit akan kini kita case. Kepada ke Women's Commission, Child Protection Commission, ke Police Department, makikan kibadon ya kata cingklan jong kecingbat jong taan yang kaki kita kiban, pacurip ikut kini juba kiba mapi upat pak buat pentip bat ngangangen bahkan ni kecing yang kedua ini minta step kalau pun baru kita kiba wan pentulun yang kata kecing ada jong ke hok jong nong sok snong day ban pentulun day ban prelang day ban jurut lang day ban don kata kecing yu ba kawai na kita the authorities kan kena ikibai pat kita ke authorities habajing shisha ni datang kita iban song pedeng iban pet ba kano kecing kano dai bandan tersebut kebiang dai bandan kecing tip kebiang dai bandan kita ki witnesses ki bayoi ke kini ba ni kum ka empowerment of women jongka berbar tawan nginum nak bang ile bat ngila tha iki bikin le kan la ka jong kamram nang ba kin sa ai pat it report education